asked students how stressed they were on a scale of 1 to 10, and these were their responses.
11.
Next are you?
9. I would say I'm about a 10 out of 10 stressed.
I'm like a 10 out of 10, very stressed.
I'd say like a 9.3.
Good.
8.5.
9.
I would say like a 7 or an 8 because I have an AP exam coming up.
Yeah, I'm a 6.9 on the stress-o-meter.
6.
Based on the student responses, we learned that the most common sources of stress came from trying to balance studying with regular homework, tests, the pressure to get good grades, and trying to fit in a social life with all of the other responsibilities. But our findings on the amounts of stress that different Scarborough High School students have, along with the sources of this stress, raised the question of what stress actually is.
Stress is the body's reaction to any change that requires an adjustment or response. The body reacts to these changes with physical, mental, and emotional responses. In fact, a little amount of stress is good, but once it begins to become overwhelming, it can be harmful. Americans had reported that they believe a 3.6 is a healthy amount of stress on a 1 to 10 scale. Except in an annual survey published by the American Psychological Association, teens on average reported their stress level to be a 5.8 out of 10 or higher. At Scarborough High School, students reported an even higher level of stress than this. High amounts of stress can have serious physical side effects on your body, including low energy, headaches, tense muscles, rapid heart rate, upset stomach, and much more.
Despite the negative definition and statistics about stress, there is still hope, and we talked to teachers and students about positive coping strategies and techniques to improve quality of life, even in today's stressful world.
And there's also a lot of research, by the way, that would point to benefits of some of the things that I'm going to speak to, including regular practice of mindfulness meditation and yoga.
I play tennis and I make to-do lists.
Well, I exercise a lot. I like to go to the gym in the morning before school. It's a good way to get out a lot of my energy. And since the school doesn't offer recess, so working out actually is a pretty good reliever for me. And I do yoga, so that helps too. So working out is really how I deal with my stress.
In general, some key takeaways and ways to relieve stress are yoga, meditation, going to the beach or other relaxing places, getting organized, like through lists and cleaning your room, journaling or talking to someone, balancing responsibilities with activities you enjoy, spending time with friends and family, exercising, and eating healthy foods, drinking water, and getting proper sleep.